Aussie mushrooms, they're a real treat to cook with. I love them because they're super versatile. Just like this recipe, I'm going to make a really quick vegetarian rice using mushrooms, miso and basmati rice. I like to cook my onions and garlic off first, then take that out before I start frying my mushrooms. And by doing that, we've got a bit more control over the onions and garlic and they won't burn at all. So once that's got a bit of colour and it's softened nicely, we'll take that out of a saute pan. And the pan can go back on the heat along with a good glug of olive oil, about a tablespoon or so, and mushrooms love butter, so a knob of butter too. Now while that's melting away, I'll finish cutting these mushrooms. I've got a combination of Swiss brown mushrooms, which are these ones, and we've also got that classic button mushrooms. And I like to use both of them just so we've got that colour contrast. So once you've got a good handful of sliced mushrooms, they can go into the pan and we're going to saute them off until we've got a little bit of colour. Okay, mushrooms are looking good, so in with a little miso paste. This is going to give it a lovely savoury flavour. To this, a little bit of pepper. I've just got some white pepper for something different, along with a pinch of salt. And we can now return our onions and our garlic. And we'll just give that a quick stir to combine. And now it's time to add our rice. You can use any long grain rice you like. I've got some basmati today. That can go in. And we're just going to combine that with our mushrooms. Okay, finally some stock. To keep this 100% vegetarian, I'm adding some vegetable stock. You want it to completely cover that rice, and the lid goes on. And this is going to be done within 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know that it's cooked because all of that liquid will be absorbed and we'll have fluffy rice. Once that's almost cooked, I'm just going to fry an egg to serve with it. All right, I've just been frying an egg. I like my egg yolk to be gooey, so I've just turned the heat off. And let's have a look at this delicious mushroom rice. Oh, it smells fantastic. You can see that all the rice has absorbed that liquid, and it's as simple as plating this up, a generous amount, into a bowl. Here we go. And this is a great substitute for meat because mushrooms are generally meaty in texture. So we've got our rice and we've also got our egg that's going to sit just on top. And to finish it off, I've got some parsley, just some of the leaves. I'm just going to finely chop. And we'll just sprinkle that over the top. And that is a delicious dinner or lunch showing off magnificent mushrooms.